हेलो एवरीवन। क्या आपने कभी किसी के दांत देखे हैं जो थोड़े से घिसे हुए लगते हैं, या फिर हैव यू नोटिस्ड योर ओन टीथ दैट आर यूजुअली शॉर्टर और गेटिंग शॉर्टर डे बाय डे देन नॉर्मल? इट कुड बी बिकॉज ऑफ ब्रक्सिज्म। सो ब्रक्सिज्म बेसिकली दो तीन चीजों की वजह से होता है. Most of it is a psychological change. When there is a person who has a habit of clenching their teeth, or you have a habit of clenching your teeth while you are asleep, in that case your teeth might get atreated. So ऊपर का जो पोर्शन है वो धीरे धीरे घिसना शुरू होता है. टेक्निकल टर्म्स में हम इसको अट्रीजन कहते हैं. जब ये एक पर्टिकुलर लेवल तक घिसने दांत शुरू हो जाते हैं, इट स्टार्ट्स रीचिंग टू द सेकेंड लेयर एंड ग्रेजुअली टू द नर्व्स ऑफ द टूथ. देन यू माइट एनकाउंटर सेंसिटिविटी इश्यूज एंड पेन इन सर्टन टूथ और मे बी इन जनरलाइज्ड फॉर्म. मतलब सारे के सारे दांतों में आपको पेन, झंझनाहट, सेंसिटिविटी, ये सब बहुत कॉमन सिम्टम्स रहते हैं. सो इन दिस पॉडकास्ट वी विश टू टॉक अबाउट ब्रक्सिज्म. At Bajaj Dental Care, we have come across a number of patients who have bruxism in a very day-to-day life. What is bruxism? Bruxism is when you have a habit of doing like knowingly or unknowingly, and after that you have faced that the tooth size is becoming smaller or shorter, or you've started facing things like sensitivity or things like pain in your teeth or tooth. In any way, reach to your dentist or you can call us and get a night guard for yourself. So what is a night guard? A night guard is an appliance that you wear in the lower jaw mostly. And when you clench your tooth, there is no force of mastication or no occlusal forces that are playing role in your lower teeth. What they do is it actually protects the lower jaw or the lower teeth from getting it more shorter or let's say getting it more atreated. दांत घिसते जब हैं तो जब आप फोर्स लगाएंगे वो नाइट गार्ड पूरा का पूरा फोर्स अपने ऊपर ले लेता है and hence your teeth are saved from getting atreated. If you have any kind of problems like clenching, or you have any problems, if you're facing problems like bruxism or generalized pain or some certain symptoms, go get a night guard for yourself. And a night guard's life is also very long depending upon कि आप कितना ज़्यादा उसको घिसते हैं. When you see a night guard that gets weared off, you can get a new one for yourself. Mostly a night guard is made of silicone, so it is easy to wear, easy to remove and comfortable enough. But definitely जब आप starting में लगाओगे तो थोड़ा सा awkward लगता है, but gradually with time it becomes very comfortable in your day-to-day life. Go get a night guard for yourself and save the lower teeth from getting atreated and get your smile back.